of the jungle. Lions roar loud and love to nap in the sun. Black and white stripes. Every zebra has a different pattern, just like a fingerprint. Super playful. Monkeys swing on trees, chatter, and love bananas. A gentle giant! Elephants use their trunks to drink, play, and pick up food. Boing, boing. Kangaroos hop high and carry their babies in a pouch. The biggest wildcat. Tigers are strong, fast, and love to sneak through the jungle. Big, furry, and ready for adventure. It's the mighty bear. Cuddly, calm, and full of bamboo love, it's the adorable panda.